Welcome to channel, Effortless English from Zero. Learn to speak English like a native. If you are new here, consider subscribing. Dress up like her mom. Listen and repeat. She dressed up. She dressed like her mom. She put lipstick on her lips. She put a necklace around her neck. She put earrings on her ears. She put a pretty hat on her head. She put high heels on her feet. She sprayed perfume on her neck. She looked in the mirror. She saw a little woman. Listen and answer. Did she dress up?
Yes, she dressed up.
Who dressed up?
Emily dressed up.
What did she do?
She dressed up.
Did she dress like her mom?
Yes, she dressed like her mom.
Who dressed like her mom?
Emily dressed like her mom.
Whom did she dress like?
She dressed like her mom.
Did she put lipstick on her lips?
Yes, she put lipstick on her lips.
Who put lipstick on her lips?
Emily put lipstick on her lips.
What did she put on her lips?
She put lipstick on her lips.
Did she put a necklace around her neck?
Yes, she put a necklace around her neck.
Who put a necklace around her neck?
Emily put a necklace around her neck.
What did she put around her neck?
She put a necklace around her neck.
Did she put earrings on her ears?
Yes, she put earrings on her ears.
Who put earrings on her ears?
Emily put earrings on her ears.
What did she put on her ears?
She put earrings on her ears.
Did she put a pretty hat on her head?
Yes, she put a pretty hat on her head.
Who put a pretty hat on her head?
Emily put a pretty hat on her head.
What did she put on her head?
She put a pretty hat on her head.
Did she put high heels on her feet?
Yes, she put high heels on her feet.
Who put high heels on her feet?
Emily put high heels on her feet.
What did she put on her feet?
She put high heels on her feet.
Did she spray perfume on her neck?
Yes, she sprayed perfume on her neck.
Who sprayed perfume on her neck?
Emily sprayed perfume on her neck.
What did she spray on her neck?
She sprayed perfume on her neck.
Did she look in the mirror?
Yes, she looked in the mirror.
Who looked in the mirror?
Emily looked in the mirror.
Where did she look?
She looked in the mirror.
Did she see a little woman?
Yes, she saw a little woman.
Who saw a little woman?
Emily saw a little woman.
What did she see?
She saw a little woman.
Point of view, today. Listen and repeat. She dresses up. She dresses like her mom. She puts lipstick on her lips. She puts a necklace around her neck. She puts earrings on her ears. She puts a pretty hat on her head. She puts high heels on her feet. She sprays perfume on her neck. She looks in the mirror. She sees a little woman. Point of view, tomorrow. Listen and repeat. She will dress up. She will dress like her mom. She will put lipstick on her lips. She will put a necklace around her neck. She will put earrings on her ears. She will put a pretty hat on her head. She will put high heels on her feet. She will spray perfume on her neck. She will look in the mirror. She will see a little woman. Vocabulary. Dress. Lipstick. Lips. Necklace. Neck. Earrings. High heels. Perfume. Mirror. Question of the day. Do you like perfume? Let me know in the comments below. You have to watch this video every day, for at least 2 weeks. Thank you for watching. If you want to watch more videos, consider subscribing.
See you again. Bye bye.